Morning, guys. I had some questions on how to do number 8 on the weekly, so I'm going to show you by hand here. It says to solve this by factoring, but I'm going to use the quadratic formula because I like that better. So I'm going to get this set equal to 0. I'm going to minus 12 on both sides. So I have 8m squared plus 20m minus 12 equals 0. Okay, so from here, you could factor or you can use a quadratic formula. If you want to factor, you would do divide and slide. I'm going to use a formula. So I have a equals 8, b equals 20, and c equals negative 12. Okay, so your formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. I'm sure you all missed my beautiful voice singing that song. So I'm going to put parentheses anywhere I see a letter. Okay, so this is b, that's going to be 20. This is b, so that's 20. This is a, so that's 8. That's c, so that's negative 12. And this is a, so that's 8. Okay, so now let me clean this up a bit and get my calculator out. Okay, so I have x equals negative 20 plus and minus the square root of, okay, you can do this on Desmos.com or you can do the inside of the square root on a regular calculator. So I have 20 squared minus 4 times 8 times negative 12, which is 784, all over 2 times 8, which is 16. All right, the square root of 784 is 28. So I have x equals negative 20 plus and minus 28 over 16. All right, so now I'm going to separate this into two equations. Okay, I have negative 20 plus 28 divided by 16, and I have negative 20 minus 28 divided by 16. I'm just going to do those two things on my calculator. So first I'll do, if you have a graphing calculator, most of you don't. So you know what, let me show you how to do it step by step. First I would do negative 20 plus 28, which is 8. Okay, so this is 8 over 16, or 8 divided by 16, which is 0.5. So this is 0.5, or you could write it as 1/2. So that's one of my answers. Okay, this one says negative 20 minus 28, so I'll do the top first, so that's negative 48, I'll write over here, negative 48 divided by 16, and that is negative 3. All right, so let me come over here. My two answers are 0.5 and negative 3. You also could have written it as 1/2 and negative 3. You didn't have to write the x equals either. So these are your two answers. All right, hope that helped. Miss you guys. Bye.